Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 E550 Cabriolet. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. This one does come with the Sportline package with a sport exterior interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated star in the grille. Lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, silk beige espresso brown Napa leather interior with a burl walnut trim, rear spoiler, E550 badging. Open up the tailgate. We got a set of all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package with a blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, burl walnut and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, multi-contour seats. This E-Cab has 17,577 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E550 cab, check out feldmannimports.com.